So guys, in this video, we are going to dive into a topic that many of us struggle with, that we don't really like to talk about, which is body acne. And it's not something bad for you to have an acne, it's just a normal thing. I'm going to tell you what you need to do to avoid this acne, what steps you need to take, and the right skincare routine you need to give your body. So let's dive straight into the video. So body acne can be in the form of bacteria, dead skin cells, sweat when you wear a tight outfit. It can lead to acne. When you have a long nails, like your natural long nails, when you scratch your body a lot, that particular place is going to turn out to be acne. I hope you get it. Body pimples, body acne, they are normal. Look at my skin. There are some parts of my skin here I have pimples, small dark spots on my chest. And also, it doesn't mean that since this is normal for us, we should just leave our body that way. We need to look fresh all day long. So yes, we need to treat all this thing called body acne. So yes, the second step here is you need to take care of your body. Number one, you need to cleanse your body properly and make sure you use your body wash. So this is where the treatment comes in. The number one treatment here is your body wash. For me, I use the salicylic acid ingredient for my body. Wherever part I have acne, so I use this to exfoliate my skin, my body. I'm going to teach you the way how to use it, but this is the first thing I do. For you to clear your acne, your body acne, you need to get salicylic acid or get your body scrub. Salicylic acid and tea tree oil. Yes, I use this tea tree oil. These are perfect ingredients to clear your body acne. I'm giving you this tip. Take note of these tips. Tea tree oil. I'm going to show you the product now. Tea tree oil and salicylic acid. Guys, you don't want to miss this. You don't want to miss this because these ingredients, they are the best. If you have been watching my playlist on my skincare routine, I always go for cheap products, expensive skincare products. I make sure I cut my coat according to my size. I don't need to buy those expensive skincare ingredient because I want to clear my body, I want to look radiant. My cheap products can also help. So guys, I don't want this video to be very long, so I'm going to give you a demo of how you can exfoliate your skin using this cleanser. So I use my glove. Get a glove, get a body scrub glove. This is the one I use. Apply some content of this. Also get, for me, I recommend this. I'm not saying you should go for this, but for me, I have body acne and this is what I use, and the acne they are improving. You can get your own choice of body wash or cleanser, but for me, this is what I use and it works magic for me. So I'm not here to say get this, get that. So no, this is what I use and it works magic. So I'll put some on my palm here, then rub it on my chest area. Use your glove, then rub it to your back or the area where you have body acne. Then after that, wash it off with clean water. So guys, I leave the product on my skin for 1 to 2 minutes before washing off. So I'm showing you the demo of how you need to use this product. Don't just rub it on your body without using a glove. I hope you get it, guys. So this is how I do it. Then on my back too, I do the same thing. Guys, after everything, this is where the tea tree oil comes in. I mostly do it in my nighttime routine. Then I apply my tea tree oil. Wherever part I have applied my salicylic acid, I'm going to put it there. Use your tea tree oil to rub your body gently. You don't need to bother yourself too much when you can get rid of body acne without spending a lot. The salicylic acid, I bought it for 5,005. Then the third step here is LD habit, lifestyle factor. So guys, let us also look at our own intake, our lifestyle, like what we eat every day, can also cause body acne. Like, for example, alcohol. Make sure you take a lot of water frequently, like regularly. Hydrate your skin. Hydrate your skin. This will avoid dead skin cell. This will also help your skin to be hydrating all day. This will also prevent any bacteria into your body that might cause body acne. Eat balanced diet. Avoid stress. Eat balanced diet. Avoid stress. Avoid anything stress. Reduce the stress that you go through every day. This will also help you. So the treatment I have for you here is salicylic acid cleanser, or get the one of your choice. Yeah, then the tea tree oil. These are the products I use for my acne. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video. My name remains the same, Jane Michael. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Yeah, if you have any question regarding body acne or any skincare tips you want to share with us, kindly go in the comment section and drop your comment, and I'll be right there. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you guys. My name is Jane Michael. So in this channel, I talk about skincare, I talk about photography, because I'm a photographer, I'm a skin retoucher, wedding photographer. So this is all about my channel. This is all I talk about in my channel, behind the scenes of my videos, of my shoot, photography shoot and all. Thank you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.